I go in from here, it's different than the other one. You see how I create a gap? And then I kind of slide it down. You see? Create a gap. And once you have a gap, you can go around like that. And then you create a gap here. So, second screwdriver. Once you're in like that, wow, why'd it go to that? That's very rare. Because that means that it's not. Okay, see, it's perfect. No Mars, no scars, no nothing. Make sure everything's pushed in. Okay, that's the original battery. Okay, make sure you don't ruin this cable over here. Kind of pat it down. Okay, good. Okay. Let's put this in. Okay. We're only going to expose half the glue. Like that. There's no need to put glue on the cable there. There's plenty of glue holding it. All right. Make sure all of this is tucked in nicely. Okay. It's all tucked in nicely. Okay, I'm gonna move this over, and with your fingernail, push the tab into the board. Let's check to make sure it wakes up, and it does. Don't clip it yet. Make sure it's working. Here we go. Perfect. Close it. Okay, now you can clip it closed. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect.